This is Shovelhead 8. Oh, little Timmy is being bad. And welcome to another Cast Iron Wednesday. So, it's month of August 2024. Still the chicken challenge. So, this will be my last one of these. So today we're going to make easy white chilies. And it is easy because I've made it before. And you have onion, garlic, chicken broth. And you cook the chicken in the chicken broth. It's white meat. Yeah, you know. Can of green chilies, cayenne, oregano, cumin, a little bit of olive oil, and that's pretty well the whole shooting match. So we're going to get the pan on and cook up our onions and garlic, and then the rest of the stuff just gets put together. So we'll get something going in the pan, and we'll be right back. Okay, our pan is hot, so put cold oil into the pan. But that should be lots. Oh yeah. Put in our onions, and we'll cook them until they get soft, and we won't watch doing this. Then we'll throw our garlic in. So we'll be back. Okay, our onions and garlic are sweated out, so we're going to add our spices. Okay, so I'm only making a half a batch, so a teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of cayenne. We could come back and adjust. So we'll cook the spices out a little bit. Okay. Let's get our chicken broth in. Still a bit frozen, but it'll thaw. Our chicken. Our can of chilies. And we'll bring this to a boil, and then we'll add our beans and let it simmer. So we'll come back. Okay, come to a boil here. So now we add our 2 cans of beans, including the juice, which is what they call for in the instructions. I imagine it helps thicken this up. You can use different white beans in this too. Say Great Northerns are in the recipe. These are cannellinis. Anyways, we'll bring that up to a boil, and then we're going to shove it over to the other burner because we need this one. So we don't have to watch that. Okay, Timmy's watching from the sidelines. And we're going to make some flour tortillas to go with the chili. These are whole wheat ones too, so or half whole wheat to be exact. And they say to roll it up to about 8 inches. Just about that. That's what I keep telling her. And then you just throw it on there. Not quite yet. Anyways, you get the idea. Get back. Kick the camera. And there's the last 2 tortillas. So this one's cooked. We got the shut off. Fans on, so the salt alarm will go off. And that's it until we plate her up. So we'll come back. Well, I'm hoping the sound's working. Anyways, there we go. Here's our white chili with chicken and cannellini beans. Our whole wheat tortillas, handmade. A little bit of chicken for Timmy. And some chicken for the taste testers. And we have more tortillas left. So, let's get our taste tester going. And it's time for the DIY Dark Matter taste tester. So they tell me. Wait, Joe Harper. Okay. We'll do it this way. I'm slow on the draw. They like chicken. Timmy likes chicken. No spicy stuff today. They may get a piece of tortilla after. So anyways, it's Timmy and my turn. So I'll get him out of purgatory because he's sitting on top of his cage, being good. So we'll be back. Anyways, here we are. There's our white chili and our whole wheat tortillas. I don't have my cast iron Wednesday shirt on. It's in the wash. wasn't happy with that piece. So take the piece you want then. It's good and spicy. I cut down the cayenne. You see that pot? That's half a batch. So you better be feeding the crowd if you make a whole one. But anyways, that's excellent. Anyways, Timmy's sitting on his cage, flew over to his cage because somebody coughed. That's how little birds stay alive, and they listen and run. So anyways, Cast Iron Wednesday was started by Native Tears, and she keeps a playlist on the channel, and the link will be down below. The challenge for August was chicken, and chicken includes eggs and chicken bologna and all sorts of good things. So anyways, cook us something up. It doesn't have to be a challenge. Part of the challenge, it can be anything you want, and let us know and we'll get you on the playlist. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next week.